as we did not see much in the way of any cloud cover. Obviously, our focus is going to be on Hurricane Lee. Two other areas that do not look like they're going to threaten land at all will also be monitored and could become next named storm, really the wave that is east of Lee. But Hurricane Lee with winds of 75 miles an hour, there's actually fairly weak wind shear over the storm at the moment, and that will start to subside. So there is really nothing that is going to hinder further explosion in strength in the coming days. Now, as we get toward days 4 and 5 into the weekend and early next week, it does look like the storm starts to slow down a bit. That is because the steering currents start kind of changing over. You're actually going to have an upper high that starts building into the west. That may help to slow the storm down a bit. As we head toward early to mid next week, the upper high is gone, and that's when we start to see that upper troughing. That would be what allows the storm to turn away from the east coast. This is just one run of the GFS, and notice the model kind of splits the difference between the east coast and Bermuda. That would be a best case scenario, but a lot of the model members, the ensemble members, have it over either just west of Bermuda or over Bermuda. If I'm in Bermuda, you're paying very close attention to this one. Watching it if you're on the east coast, but the consistency in the models continues. High temperature